Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make text glow in DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, just go to effects and right here you need to select titles and simply look for basic title. So simply drag it and drop it onto your timeline. And once you do that, simply click on it, go to inspector and you can rename your text. I'm gonna name it maybe glow. And once you do that, simply you have to open this drop down for font and you can simply choose the font you like. I'm going with this one, Open Sans Extra Bold. You can adjust the size. Once you do that, you have the option to choose the text color. You can choose whichever color you like. You can go for yellow, white, whichever you like. Let's say we choose yellow, select OK. Then again, if you scroll, you'll able to see a couple of more options, but we need to look for drop shadow. And right here in drop shadow color, we need to choose the exact color we choose for text. So simply use this option, pick screen color and choose yellow like that. Select OK. And now you need to choose the offset X and offset Y. So simply you have to adjust this like this, and just you have to increase or decrease blur according to the glow effect you want for your text. You can also adjust the opacity and you can see the glow is looking good. And that's exactly how you'll able to add glow to your text. You can change color if you like. Let's say we choose white this time, select OK, and again we're gonna change the drop shadow color to white. You can also use the pick screen color in order to choose the exact color. And yep, there you go, we have added the glow to our text. It is that easy. So yeah guys, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to add glow to your text in DaVinci Resolve. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.